Rent out extra space with ease in Pleasanton. Construction, remodeling, and renovation costs can really add up, making it difficult to budget for your project. However, one way to reduce these costs is to build a dwelling accessory unit in Pleasanton. Also known as granny flats or in-law units, these small living spaces can be attached to your existing home or built as a standalone unit. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they can also be constructed using a variety of different materials and methods. As a result, you can easily find a dwelling accessory unit that fits both your style and your budget. In addition, because they are typically smaller than a traditional home, dwelling accessory units require less energy to heat and cool, making them more environmentally friendly. So whether you're looking to save money or reduce your carbon footprint, building a dwelling accessory unit is a great option. For many people in Pleasanton, the thought of extra income is irresistible. And what could be better than earning money from something you already own? That's the appeal of an ADU, a secondary dwelling unit on your property that can be rented out to generate income. ADUs are becoming increasingly popular in Pleasanton as a way to earn passive income, and they can be a great investment. With the right location and amenities, an ADU can provide significant rental income, and it can also increase the value of your property. If you're thinking of adding an ADU to your property, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, check with your local zoning laws to see if an ADU is allowed. Second, think about the type of unit you want to build, a detached garage conversion or a brand new construction. Finally, consider the amenities that will make your unit attractive to renters, off-street parking, private entrance, and so on. With careful planning, an ADU can be a great way to earn extra income and add value to your property. Looking to build your ADU? Or maybe you just wanting to do some remodeling? We can help you with that. We're a construction company based in Hayward, but we also serve the city of Pleasanton, California. Most of our clients are from Pleasanton and they've all been very happy with our work. If you're not sure, you can always check our Google reviews to see what others have said about us. We're a very friendly and professional company and our staff is hardworking and dedicated to providing the best quality possible. So if you're in the market for a construction company, definitely give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you achieve your vision.